Recently renovated 2-bedroom/2-bath condo in the popular Pike Creek community of Berkshire. Newly updated kitchen and baths, new countertops, vanities, toilets, flooring. In-unit laundry facilities, new washer, dryer included. Kitchen with gas range, new granite C-tops, large deep stainless steel sink, and new flooring. Large living room area with access to private balcony. Dining room with pass-through to kitchen. Updated hall bath with new vanity and flooring. Spacious master bedroom with updated private bath, new vanity and flooring, walk-in closet. Efficient gas heat and central air conditioner. Monthly condo fee includes water, sewer, trash, exterior maintenance, and access to the community's amenities, clubhouse, swimming pool, and tennis courts. Conveniently located near area shopping and restaurants and situated in the highly regarded Red Clay School District. Affordable living with amenities few communities offer.